Hi everybody, this is Cheryl, and I'm going to take a look at another gift that Chris got me for Christmas. This one is the Ozark Trail's 5-piece mess kit. Okay. Now, it says it comes with a 6.7-inch fry pan, a 6.5-inch plate, a 7-ounce cup, a lid, and a 0.5 quart pot. So let's just take a look at it here. Okay. So there is the, okay, go. So here's the plate. Guess. Here's the lid. There's a plastic handle on it. Okay. And then a little cup. And that was a 7-ounce cup. And it's got some marks in there. It's kind of dark in here. I can't see if it has anything wrote in it, but it does have some lines in there. So there's the little cup. And then okay. And here's the pot. Oh, and it has the, there we go, little pot. Well, that's kind of neat. Okay. And then the fry pan. That's kind of cool. And then the lid for the little pot. See that? Yeah. That's kind of cool. It's kind of a little bit of sharp edges there, but it's kind of cool. And then you could use that as a lid if you needed to. But that would be your plate. That's what you'd use for your plate. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I kind of like that. Now, you just, oh, well, I'm going to have to figure that one out. I don't want that happening. I'm not sure how that, you would think that slides, but I guess it doesn't. But, yeah, that's kind of cool. And we have our, we're going to see if we can fit all this together. That's kind of neat. I like that. Now we just need to test it to see how it cooks. And we'll look at the box here in a minute to see what the specs are on all this. Let's see if we put this all back together. And it doesn't look like my spork's going to fit in there, but that's okay. We can have that separate. So we'll put this all back together, and let's see what the box has to say about it. So, yeah, I think that's going to be a pretty handy little thing. Now I will put the tissue paper back in there. And I'll probably put some cloth in there to keep them from banging around. Maybe some rags or something, because that tissue paper won't last long. Let's see. It says lightweight and compact stainless steel, easy to clean, and all pieces nest together for easy storage. Okay, so it's Walmart brand, Ozark Trails, made in China. Yeah, but yeah, not a bad piece of equipment to have. It doesn't give a whole lot more information, doesn't give the size or the how much it weighs or anything like that. But yeah, not a bad piece of equipment to have. You know, could come in handy for a lot of things, camping, if you have a storm, you know, or you have to bug out for some reason. You know, it could be handy for a lot of things. You know, like I said, I'm going to put some cloth in it so that it doesn't bang around too much. But not a bad piece of equipment. And I know these were about $6. Not a bad price, you know, for something, you know, simple and on budget. And we all got one of these, and actually we ended up with extra of these. But yeah, you know, something like this could be very handy for multiple things. So yeah, I'm going to put some cloths in them to keep them from rattling, and not a bad deal. So go check them out. They're in the sports, crafts, or outdoors, whatever you want to call it, at Walmart. So, and they're for about $6. All right, y'all have a good day. Bye.